Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and license so nothing is lost. Back up everything to an external drive and confirm integrity. Once done, locate your Windows 8. One product key and download the matching ISO from a reliable source, then create a bootable USB, 8 GB or larger. Make sure to note critical drivers, and if your PC uses UEFI, disable Secure Boot, and set USB as first boot device in BIOS so the installer will launch immediately. You'll boot the PC from your prepared USB. Select Custom Install to perform a clean install and avoid upgrade remnants. Once in the partition screen, delete or format the Windows 10 system partition and create new partitions if needed, leaving other data partitions alone. Make sure to enter your Windows 8 one product key when prompted and consider disconnecting network access temporarily to prevent online updates from interfering with driver installation. The installer then copies files and restarts several times while it sets up your system. You finish by installing hardware drivers starting with chipset, storage, and network adapters, followed by graphics. Use vendor downloads for best compatibility. Once done, run Windows Update repeatedly until the system reports no pending updates, then restore your backed up files and reinstall apps. Make sure Windows shows as activated. If not, run the activation wizard and enter your key again. If you encounter driver or activation errors, boot safe mode to install alternate drivers or use the activation tool. Vendor support often helps with stubborn compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.